Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to create a PayPal link. First, you need to open your PayPal account. After opening this, you need to go to the request option, click on request. After that, after loading, you need to go to this option of share your personal profile. Click on it. After that, you have to, on your profile, you need to go onto the share option, click on share option. And here you have to click on copy link. The link has been copied. Now you can send it to the person to whom you want to. After that, if whenever that person is by pasting that link there, after pasting the link, they will take it that they will take that person to this page, and then he or she can send you the money by clicking on send. So that's how you can create a link on PayPal account. So I hope this video was useful to you. If it was, then make sure to like and share this video, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.